In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix mobile view on Shopify Resize images and videos. We are going to do this directly inside the Shopify theme editor, using built-in mobile layout settings first, and then a small custom CSS adjustment for your video section. These changes help your store look clean and easy to browse on a phone, where space is limited and side-by-side layouts often cause media to shrink too much. Start by opening your theme editor and selecting the exact section where your images are showing up too small on mobile. This is important because many themes have different settings per section. Once that section is selected, look to the left sidebar for a group of options related to mobile. In many themes, this appears as mobile layout settings. Within those mobile settings, find the option called Stack Images on Mobile and check the box. This one setting usually makes the biggest difference right away. Instead of showing images side by side, which forces each image to become narrow and hard to see, the section will switch to a vertical stack. On a phone screen, stacking lets each image use the full width, which improves clarity and makes your content feel more premium. After that, move on to your video. In the theme customizer, click on your video section so you are editing the correct block. Then in the left sidebar, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Custom CSS and open it. Now paste in the CSS code provided in your guide. The purpose of this code is to keep your video locked into a consistent aspect ratio, like 16:9 or 4:3, so it does not look stretched, squashed, or oddly cropped on mobile devices. This is especially helpful because mobile screens vary a lot in size, and responsive layouts can sometimes cause video embeds to behave unpredictably. Once the code is in place, take a moment to preview your store in the mobile view inside the theme editor. Pay attention to how the images stack and how the video frame scales as you scroll. If everything looks correct, save your changes. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.